So today I'll show you how to make beef jerky. The first step with making beef jerky is a couple of flank steaks, and I'm going to slice them up. I've got all the meat cut up into nice long strips against the grain. Now I'll make the marinade. This is my dad's recipe that he gave me when I was growing up. It's a bunch of simple ingredients. You probably have them in your cupboard right now. Then just mix up the marinade, get everything dissolved. I'm just going to have the meat and marinate it in this overnight. And then I'm going to just seal it up and let it sit overnight, and I'll smoke it tomorrow. About 2 hours in, looking pretty good. Still a little moist. 4 hours. It's getting close, but not quite ready yet. So after about 5 hours, I got a big plate of beef jerky.